Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Flow. I am Luna, and I am very happy you are here today.
And I am Ethan. It is great to spend this time with you. If you want to speak English smoothly and naturally in everyday life, this episode is perfect for you.
Yes, today we are going to practice many real expressions people use every day. These are not difficult words. They are simple expressions that help you sound natural.
Many English learners know grammar. They know vocabulary. But when they speak, the conversation feels slow or uncomfortable.
That is because natural English uses expressions, small phrases like, that makes sense, no problem, give me a second, I see what you mean.
When you learn these expressions, your English becomes smooth. Your conversations become easier.
And today, we will practice 130 everyday expressions through a friendly conversation.
We will also explain vocabulary, ask questions, and practice speaking together.
Our goal is simple, help you speak English with confidence.
So relax, listen carefully, and speak with us.
Let's begin with a simple situation. Imagine we meet after a long time.
I walk into a small coffee shop and I see Luna.
Hey, Ethan, long time no see.
Hey, Luna. Wow, it really has been a while.
How have you been?
I have been pretty busy lately.
Same here. Life has been a little crazy.
Tell me about it.
Do you want to sit down and talk?
Sure, that sounds great.
I'm glad you're here.
Me too. It is good to see you again.
So, Ethan, what have you been up to?
Honestly, I have been working day and night.
Wow, that sounds exhausting.
It is sometimes, but I'm doing my best.
That's great. Keep it up.
Thanks, I really appreciate that.
By the way, do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I could really use a cup of coffee.
Give me a second. I'll order for us.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay, I'm back.
Thanks a lot.
No worries.
That coffee smells amazing.
I know, right?
Luna, let's talk about some expressions we used.
Yes, the first expression is long time no see.
People use this when they meet someone after a long time.
Another expression is how have you been?
This means you are asking about someone's life recently.
Pretty busy lately means your schedule has many activities.
Same here means I have the same situation.
Tell me about it means I completely agree with you.
That sounds great is used when you like an idea.
I am glad you're here means I am happy you came.
What have you been up to means what have you been doing recently.
Honestly means you're speaking truthfully.
That sounds exhausting means something seems very tiring.
I am doing my best means I am trying very hard.
Keep it up means continue doing well.
I appreciate that means thank you for your words.
I could really use something means I need it.
Give me a second means wait for a short moment.
No problem means it's okay.
Take your time means do not rush.
No worries means everything is fine.
Now, let's continue our conversation.
Luna, have you watched any good movies recently?
Actually, yes, I watched a great movie last weekend.
Really? How was it?
It was amazing.
That sounds interesting.
You should check it out.
I will definitely watch it.
Trust me, you will like it.
Good to know.
By the way, do you have plans for this weekend?
Not really. I'm still figuring it out.
Maybe we could go for a walk in the park.
That is a great idea.
Fresh air always helps.
I could use some fresh air.
Same here.
Let's explain a few more expressions.
Check it out means look at something or try something.
Trust me means believe me.
Good to know means that information is useful.
Not really means the answer is mostly no.
Figuring it out means trying to decide something.
That is a great idea means you strongly like the suggestion.
I am glad you're here means I am happy you came.
I could use some fresh air means I need fresh air.
Same here means I feel the same way. Now, let's imagine another situation, planning a small trip.
Luna, I'm thinking about taking a short trip.
That sounds fun.
I just need a little break.
I totally understand.
Do you want to come with me?
Let me think about it.
Sure, no rush.
Actually, I might be free this weekend.
Perfect.
That would be nice.
Great, let's do it.
Now, let's learn a few more expressions.
I'm thinking about means considering something.
I totally understand means I completely understand you.
Let me think about it means I need time to decide.
No rush means take your time.
I might be free means maybe I have time.
Perfect means something is exactly right.
Let's do it means start now.
Now we will practice vocabulary and expressions together.
Listen carefully.
Expression 1. I see what you mean. This means I understand your idea.
Expression 2, that makes sense. This means your idea is logical.
Expression 3. I'll give it a try. This means I will attempt something.
Expression 4, that works for me. This means I agree with the plan.
Expression 5. Sounds good. This means I like the idea.
Expression 6, let's get started. This means begin now.
Expression 7. That depends. This means the answer changes based on the situation.
Expression 8, I'm not sure. This means you do not know the answer.
Expression 9. I'll think about it. This means you will consider the idea.
Expression 10, that is true. This means you agree with the statement.
Now, it's time for practice questions.
Luna will ask questions and I will answer.
Ethan, how are you today?
I'm doing great today.
What are you doing right now?
I am recording a podcast.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Of course, I love learning new things.
Do you like speaking English?
Yes, it is fun and useful.
Now, listeners, answer with us.
Question 1. How are you today?
You can say, I am doing well today.
Question 2. What are you doing now?
You can say, I am listening to an English podcast.
Question 3. Do you enjoy learning English?
You can say, yes, I enjoy learning English.
Very good.
Now we will practice shadowing. This means you repeat after us.
Speak clearly and confidently.
I am doing my best.
That sounds great.
I totally understand.
Give me a second.
No worries.
Good to know.
I appreciate that.
I will check it out.
Let me think about it.
Take your time.
That works for me.
Sounds good.
I will give it a try.
I see what you mean.
That makes sense.
I am proud of my progress.
I am getting better every day.
I can speak English confidently.
Excellent work.
Remember something important.
Speaking English is a skill.
And every skill improves with practice.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn faster.
Every sentence you speak builds confidence.
Every conversation improves your fluency.
Just keep practicing.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
And keep believing in yourself.
Before we finish, let's repeat some powerful everyday expressions.
Long time no see.
How have you been?
That sounds great.
Give me a second.
No worries.
I totally understand.
Let me think about it.
I appreciate that.
Good to know.
Keep it up.
If you use these expressions daily, your English will sound smooth and natural.
Confidence comes from practice.
And practice comes from speaking.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We believe in you.
Keep learning
Keep growing.
and keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode.